Welcome to my DIY garage build. From indoor cycling training setups to workshop project, I'm creating this into the ultimate cycling and workshop space. Let's get it started.
Starting a new little series here, a little video. It's not going to be loads, 1, 2, maybe 3. Bought a new house recently. Garage was awful. I'm talking terrible. As a keen cyclist, what's the one thing that you've got to do? You need a nice space for storing your bikes, because that can't be staying there in the second bedroom the entire time, can it? This garage is approx 6.5 meters by 3.8 meters it is. That's what we've got to play with. I've gone for block built. I want it to be, somewhat sturdy at least. My design ideas and inspiration was just full-blown black box. So all the hardware, all the doors are all black. The roof is black. And we've decided to do black stained wood vertical cladding around the entirety of the garage. So the garage itself is just a big black rectangle wood clad. All the inspiration was from this kind of stuff here. Yeah, basically we loved all of these like Scandinavian, like really nice, well-designed homes and garages and self-builds, and thought, fuck it, I want that. So that's what we've built. Yeah, so halfway putting the ceiling on. We're just doing full OSB everywhere in this. Because it is a garage at the end of the day. But I still want it to look somewhat nice. But really, really happy with the progress that I've done on it so far. It's coming together. This is maybe a week or two later from what you've just seen. I've got a garage door fitted.
Oh, I've got another garage door fitted. Would you look at that?
Yeah, so new garage door fitted. Pretty sick. We're waiting on final electric to be installed. But yeah, very, very impressed. It's all coming together. I cannot wait for this to come together. This is going to be the best pain cave, workshop, storage room, just, stuff.
Yeah, so I do not trust myself to do the electric, so I got Sam in on this. Black hardware all around, but I specifically wanted LED strip lights. Not the weird hexagons that you see, but these just classy. It's nice. I wanted to make sure that there was electrical points all over the garage as well, because future-proof, But now the big clear out, I need to make sure that that concrete was absolutely dust-free, because I got to seal it. Took a while, but we there. Yeah, so nice and clear. You got Hetty in the corner, thank you. He cleaned up good. But yeah, nice shell now. So basically what we got to fit in is 3 or 4 bikes, trainer, screen, workbench, quite a few bits. Yeah, I'm using Photoshop to sketch out the shape of my garage. What of it? But yeah, it's, I don't know, 6.4, 6.5 by 3.7-ish. But yeah, roller on the front, side door on the right, near the front as well. I figured that was kind of dead space, so I'll have it opening inwards. I got the 2 support pillars. Workbench in the middle of the front, because symmetry has to be a key. Is it a bike going here? Is that where the trainer's going? Do you know what I mean? So then I can watch the TV whilst I'm on the trainer, because I love doing that. Apparently I'm one of those people that does that. Weight bench, I think that's what's going to happen here. A little bench of some kind. Daisy's into that idea, so we've got a really small home gym kind of setup. Next to that space there, over here is this more bicycle storage, is this motorcycle storage. Am I going on the walls? the issue is with, if I'm putting it on the walls, I don't want it to, I don't know, I don't want it to feel too claustrophobic or out of reach, I guess. And I don't think I can put it, you know, above the trainer, because it'll feel like I'm riding on my own bike on the wall. Some shelving down there, work stand on the right, maybe, you know, perfect drawing. That's stuff on a shelf, if you can't tell, stuff on a shelf. And then space to fit another bike down there, just maybe. I also definitely need to get some kind of help and inspiration from anyone else that has built a kind of, not specific cycling garage, but like a space that you work out in. What products are we using? What's the best thing? Like, I'm gonna need a fan. That one, that Honeywell, it's okay. It's not gonna be enough. It's not gonna be enough. So what are we using out there? I want some mood lighting. I've definitely got 3 strip lights in there because I know what I want for that. And all of the hardware, electrical hardware inside, all of the actual hardware is fully black. Exposed concrete, OSB walls and ceiling. What are you guys recommending? Would love some input on what stuff works and what stuff doesn't work, and locations in spaces of those as well. Yeah, that'd be ideal.